Imagine standing in a courtroom where every word, every legal citation, every ruling can shape the outcome of a trial. Now, picture one of those rulings never having existed, fabricated entirely by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction? Unfortunately, it's not. A recent case before the Court of Appeal in Florence, Italy, revealed that an attorney submitted legal references that had never existed, hallucinated by ChatGPT. An incident that raises fundamental questions about the reliability of artificial intelligence in the legal field and far beyond. I'm Giulio Coraggio, a technology and data lawyer at the global law firm DLA Piper. And this is Diritto al Digitale, the podcast where we explore the intersection between law and innovation, analyzing how emerging technologies are shaping our future. The case took place before the Court of Appeal of Florence in a dispute over trademark and copyright protection. While filing the defense brief, a lawyer included citations from the Italian Supreme Court that were completely fabricated, generated by ChatGPT. This phenomenon, known as AI hallucination, refers to the creation of false yet plausible sounding content. In this case, ChatGPT invented case numbers and rulings, presenting them as authentic. The lawyer later admitted that a colleague used ChatGPT for legal research and that he had failed to review and verify the results before submitting them. The opposing counsel sought sanctions for aggravated liability under the Italian Civil Procedural Code, claiming gross negligence or bad faith. However, the court ruled that the fabricated references were only intended to support an already developed legal position and were not submitted in bad faith. The claim was rejected due to the absence of demonstrable harm. But this is not an isolated event. In Canada, lawyer Chong Kane, based in Vancouver, presented two entirely fictitious rulings to the Supreme Court of British Columbia during a custody dispute, also generated by ChatGPT. When opposing counsels couldn't locate the cited cases, Kane admitted to using the AI tool without knowing it could produce inaccurate legal content. He formally apologized, and while the judge acknowledged the error wasn't malicious, Kane was ordered to personally compensate the opposing party for the wasted time, emphasizing that AI cannot replace professional expertise in court. These cases highlight a critical issue: the reliability of AI in legal settings. As sophisticated as AI may be, this does not possess the human ability to distinguish accurate information from fiction. When hallucinations occur, they can have severe consequences, especially in environments where accuracy is paramount. Using AI tools like ChatGPT requires constant oversight. Every citation, every insight must be reviewed and validated by a human legal expert. AI can support our work, but it cannot substitute the critical thinking and professional responsibility of a lawyer. At the same time, this case shows that the legal profession is seriously engaging with the legal tech. But adopting AI tools effectively and responsibly requires right positioning, not just legal acumen, but also technical understanding. That's why at DLA Piper we have created a dedicated legal tech line of business. Our team includes lawyers who are also trained in technology, capable of evaluating and implementing AI tools while staying fully compliant with legal standards. Whether you are a business looking to integrate AI into your legal processes or a law firm exploring legal tech transformation, we're here to help. If you'd like to know more, don't hesitate to contact us. These cases also raise broader questions around legal ethics and education. Legal professionals must be properly trained to use AI tools responsibly, understanding both their strengths and their limitations. The adoption of AI in the legal industry must be thoughtful and measured to ensure that judicial integrity remains intact. And under the UAI Act, use of generative AI in legal services could be considered as a high-risk application, especially when used in contexts that affect rights and legal obligations. This means that AI tools used in legal research or decision-making must meet stringent standards of accuracy, transparency, and human oversight. Submitting hallucinated case law, even unintentionally, could lead to serious compliance violations, not only for the lawyer involved, but also for the AI provider and the firm using the tool. To mitigate these risks, legal AI tools must be built on variable or verifiable sources, offer clear traceability, and be implemented with robust governance frameworks. So what about you? Have you ever used AI tools like ChatGPT in your professional life? What precautions do you take to ensure that the information they provide is accurate? Send me an email at giulio.coraggio@dlapiper.com to share your experiences or to learn more about our legal tech capabilities at DLA Piper. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to give us 5 stars on Apple Podcasts or Spotify and hit the bell to make sure you never miss the next episode of Diritto al Digitale. I'm Giulio Coraggio, this is Diritto al Digitale, arrivederci.